Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing some emblem removal on the Bronco here. So this is kind of a quick how to remove emblems on any type of car, but it just happens to be a Bronco that we're doing it on here today, so stick with us. So we are going to take off this dealer emblem down here, but more importantly we're going to take off the horse. So we get the horse off, we're going to replace that with a actual Raptor logo, so it should be pretty cool once we get it all removed and installed. Alright guys, so I just have my heat gun out here. I do have some fishing line, so we're going to use that, and then I do have gloves, so when you're doing the fishing line it's nice to have a set of gloves, and then just some cleaning solvent there to try and clean things up once we get everything off. So alright guys, we're just going to heat this up a little bit. Don't put too much heat in one spot, just kind of back and forth here to heat things up. Since these are letters on this one, we can just do part of the letters here. We'll do half of it, get half of it off, and then we can go on to the rest. Alright, let's see if that's warm enough. We got our fishing line here. And we just got to try and get in behind. Like that. You see that first one come off, guys? First letter off. See if we can keep working our way down here. Got another one. All right. 4 letters off. Warm this up with the next half. Now we got to clean up all that extra junk, guys. I'll just kind of rub this off with my gloves, try to get that residue off, see how well we can get it. It's actually coming off pretty well on this dealer emblem, so not super great adhesive to begin with. I think we're going to have a different outcome when we get up to the factory installed Bronco emblem. It's going to be on there a little bit harder. Let me show you guys here what it looks like after we got that off there. Not too bad. We'll just take some cleaner, clean that area up, and that one will be all done. And we're going to get this all nice and heated, see if we can't get that one off as well. The reason it's nice to have gloves, guys, when you go to start touching this stuff, it is pretty hot to the touch, so Don't want to burn yourself. Alright, let's see if that's enough to get it started. Just kind of work it back and forth. We can get around that ear there. Ooh, look at that. Boom. Emblem is off, guys. So that was the easy part. This stuff does not come off nicely, so we're going to see how that plays out here. Alright, I'm going to use my gloves here to see how this comes off. Hopefully nicely. Let's see. Oh, that's coming off way better than my last one, I'll tell you that. Boom. That went really well, guys. Just gonna clean up that area and then we'll install the new emblem. So hopefully that was just a quick tutorial for you on how to remove factory emblems. Just some good fishing line, heat gun, some gloves, and shouldn't take you but a few minutes. All right, guys, there is the new emblem installed. A Raptor logo to go with our Bronco Raptor. If you guys happen to have a Raptor truck or Bronco Raptor, I will have a link down below to the Etsy store where I picked this up from, and you can pick one up as well. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this quick video on how to remove your emblems off your vehicle. Hopefully that helped you guys out. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for the next one. Have a good one.